has shown for years that if you make it easier for customers to make a purchase, they'll buy more products. We're going to show you the same principle applies to buying products in financial services. Now, Avoka Transact is a platform that helps banks acquire more customers to buy their products. Today, we're going to show you a digital application experience that has helped banks more than double their number of loan applicants. So I'm going to show you a loan application, but it's got a flaw in it. We'll use our analytics to find the problem, show you how we improved it in order to create a 46% increase in the loan book for the bank. OK, so now I'm the consumer, and I'm in the market for a new car. On my mobile, I see a loan offer from our fictitious bank called GMB. So let's get started. Now, when we go through this journey, notice how easy it is and how we are looking to minimize any chance for error. Like Amazon, by making it quick and easy, there is a far greater chance that I will actually complete the loan application and not abandon. So we'll go ahead and choose car. Now, we'll reduce chances for errors by using our interactive slider to indicate how much I want to borrow and how long I'd like to take to repay back the loan. Now, I would like to point out that this is not an app running on my phone. We are using the browser to access the Avoka platform. Now, it automatically renders to the size of your device. You can start on a mobile, stop, then resume on a desktop or tablet, or even cross over to the branch's call center or branch. So, Kevin, I'd like to borrow £12,000, and I can afford to pay back about £600 a month. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, in order to save keystrokes and eliminate errors, we'll pull all my identity information directly from my phone bill. Now, GMB's application has identified that I'm on the EE mobile network, and has given me the option to pre-fill the application using my billing details. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll use one of our pre-built Avoka integrations with our partner, Denal. Now the application has my details. Look how much time and effort the bank has just saved me. Now, even if I did go ahead and abandon, there's enough information there for the bank to follow up with me as a lead. So that all looks correct, and we'll continue. Now, as this is an application for credit, I have to provide information on my income and liabilities, which is all sitting in my Barclays bank account. But hey, we can use our partner Yodlee to go in and securely pull that information out and pre-fill the application. So Kevin, let's do that. All I have to do is provide my login and password. And look what comes back. Fantastic, my loan's been approved. And yes, of course, I've read the terms and conditions, and we'll continue. But now what does it want? It's asking me to download the application, print it, sign it, and take it into branch. But I'm on a mobile phone, and that's simply not convenient. It's been so easy up till now, but now my digital process has now turned to paper. So yes, we've done well, but we haven't done well enough. Now this is where the Avoka platform really shines. I'd like to introduce Insights, Avoka's analytics dashboard, looking at the GMB loan application. Insight tracks and analyzes how customers move through that application, providing us with field-level analytics. Look how the completion rates are stable until the very end, and then it falls off at one specific point. Each section of the chart shows the number of people completing a page of the form. Now, Insights is telling us that from the early stages, identity, amount, so on and so forth, completion rates are actually really good. They're about 90%. But for the last section, where we're asking for a paper signature, we see a significant drop, with only 31% of customers now completing. Now, you can clearly see the main culprit here is highlighted in red. And this step is costing us customers. But remember, Avoka has dozens of pre-built integrations to a range of fintech companies, including a number of e-signature providers. So we built a new version to fix the problem. Let's see if this gives us better results. Now, in this version, we can drop an e-signature component to the end of the loan application. Now, this time, instead of printing the form, I simply e-sign on my mobile. So by combining Avoka with eSign Live, we've created a fully digital application experience. Congratulations, now my loan's complete, and no further actions required. But let's go back and take a look at what Insights is now showing us. Great, now the completion for the last step is up to 90%. That's 46% more customers getting loans from GMB. By using Avoka Analytics to find the problem and fix it, we've increased our loan book by a huge amount. I would say mission accomplished. Now, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. 1, are you happy with your digital sales experience today? 2, do you have the analytics and the agility to optimize that experience? And 3, do you have access to the world of fintech innovation? If the answer to any of the above is no, then please come and talk to Avoka. We'll show you that you can build outstanding sales experiences that you can optimize faster than you ever thought possible. We're Avoka, and we'd love the opportunity to increase your loan book by 40%. Thank you.